It's on a video, darling, and I'm still smiling. Alright, screw it.
Okay.
That would have been a really cute picture. Ouch, Charlie.
I'm sorry.
Play-Doh!
I don't even want to play with the stencil.
I do.
I don't.
Oh, me, stencil. Oh, it's so gross. I feel like I'm touching bogies. Snot out of my mouth.
Oh, it's the right color too. Oh!
Good thing we didn't get red, right?
That would have been so funny.
Whoa! Come on, let's lift up the sleeves.
Good idea.
Oh, gross!
You'll reach the air pocket soon.
Oh, this is so gross! Ew, really? Oh, yeah! Ew, look at it, it looks like bangers! No, mine is like stuck to it. This is not even fun.
Okay, I give up on the rest.
I don't, I want it all. Oh god, I feel like I'm touching bogies everywhere.
Get off of me.
Get off of me.
Get off of me. Get off of me.
Get off of me. You're like the bored Dr. Phil. Wait, forget if it's already bored. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna stop it now.
No, don't stop it.
I want to stop it so we can take pictures.